So let's generate a credentials report. For this, on the left-hand side, I just click on credential report and then download credential report, which is going to create a CSV file. Now this CSV, because I'm using a training account, is not fascinating, but as we can see, we have two rows in it. We have my root account and my account named Stefan. We can see when the user was created, if the password was enabled, when the password was last used and last changed, when is the next rotation to be expected if we do enable password rotation, is MFA active, so we can see it's active for my root account, but it is not active for my Stefan account. Then access keys, are they generated or not? Yes, they're created for my Stefan account, but not for my root account. And when were they last rotated, last used, and so on. You can get more information about other access keys and certificates and so on. So this report is extremely helpful if you want to look at some users that haven't been changing the password or using it or their account. It could be really giving you a great way to find which users that deserve your attention from a security standpoint. Now let's have a look at IAM Access Advisor. For this, I'm going to go to my user, Stefan, and then on the right-hand side, I click on Access Advisor. And Access Advisor is going to show me which services were accessed by my user and when. So as you can see, organizations, health, IAM identity and access management, which is IAM service, EC2, Resource Explorer were all accessed by my user. So I use my user to access these things by clicking in the UI. But some services were not accessed. For example, Alexa for Business, or it was App2 Container, and so on. So using Access and Advisor, you can actually have a look at whether or not the user has the correct permissions. And it turns out that maybe based on this access, I have 37 pages of this, maybe the user needs access only to a few services, but not all of them. And this UI allows you to drill down. On top of it, if a user accesses a specific service, for example, Amazon EC2, we are told that this is the administrator access that granted access to the service. So to summarize, Access Advisor becomes very helpful when you need to do granular user access permissions on AWS. So that's it for this lecture. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next lecture.